this video we're going to be doing front brake discs and pads on a Peugeot 107. So we're just going to get the MR2 out and the Golf out, and then we'll get it in and start working on it. This is one of the very first videos I filmed, so it's not the best quality wise, and obviously I'm going to try and improve on this going forward.
veins, I've been driving this train. Years in this lane, there's no stopping this flame. Cause I came to the game and I changed it to play how I like, rearranged it to my own domain. Yeah, I got what it takes, made lots of mistakes, taking shots, skipping breaks, feeling lost, feeling great, popping off, singing straight, never stopped, never changed. All the squad here to play, and I've got something to say, yeah. I work hard each and every day, I get lost in the words I say. I don't push pause, no, I push play. I won't stop till I make a change. I withdraw on the things I make. I turn flaws into flawless traits. I build tall, never capped in space. I won't stop till I hear him say, oh, oh, la 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 la, la 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 la, oh, oh, la 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 la, la 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 la, oh, oh. 6 a.m. and I'm up again. I got tired eyes, need a cup of blend. That's right, in the AM, that's my only friend. No light, just the sun coming up on the horizon. I lose track of time, yeah, I move fast and climb a new class divine, yeah, true passion shines. And I'm through passing time, I choose stacking dimes. You snooze half the time while I move passing by. I work hard each and every day, I get lost in the words I say. I don't push pause, no, I push play. I won't stop till I make a change. I withdraw on the things I make. I turn flaws into flawless traits. I build tall, never capped in space. I won't stop till I hear him say, oh, oh, la 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 la, la 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 la, oh, 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 la 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 la, la 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 la, oh, oh.
Different brake discs and pads done on this Peugeot 107. I did lose a little bit of the passenger side, putting the caliper back on, so I haven't got that footage. So yeah, that's this one done now. Obviously, like I said, this is one of the very first videos I ever filmed, so the quality isn't great. I am going to try and improve on things going forward and try and make better quality videos, but this will take time to get them how I really want them. And the next video on this 107, it'll be the last video I've got filmed for it, which will just be giving it a mini service, and it might be the last time that we see this car, but we shall see.